In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send emails with Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, click on the Create button. Then next under Regular Email, click on Design Email. Here you will be given options on how do you want to design your email so you can opt for start from scratch or basic layout or fully designed template. Now start designing your email. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to add text, images, buttons, and other content blocks. Customize the layout to match your brand and message. Once done, you can save this template, so click on Save and Exit. Next, here in the To section, select the audience you want to send the email to. You can send it to your entire list or choose a specific segment. Also, write a clear subject line so you can click on subject. Also, confirm the from name and from email so recipients recognize who the email is from. Lastly, preview your email and send a test to yourself. And once everything looks good, click on the send button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!